Good day to everyone who is watching. In our lesson today, still on simultaneous equations, we're going to talk about the method of substitution. Now, in our lesson 1, we talked about the elimination method. Here we're going to talk about the substitution. Step 1, we are going to label those equations. Step 2, we are going to make x or y the subject of the formula in any of the two equations. That is, for me, from my equation 1, I can make my y the subject, that is y is equivalent to positive x minus 1. I've taken the negative x the other side to become positive, then minus 1. Then I label this one as equation 3. Then now I'm going to put equation 3 into equation 2 such that I can eliminate one of the unknowns. So my equation 2 is 3x minus y is equivalent to 5. Then where I see the y, I'm going to put x minus 1. So this is 3x minus the y, which is x minus 1, is equivalent to 5. So in there, I've eliminated the y by substituting it in terms of x. Now this equation that I have here has only one unknown. Then I can continue to find that unknown. So when I open the brackets, 3x minus x minus times the minus becomes a positive. Then when I simplify here, that is the 2x plus 1 is equivalent to 5. I take the 1 the other side, that is 2x is equivalent to 5 minus 1. 2x is going to be equivalent to a 4. Then I divide both sides by 2 to get my x value as a 2. Then to find my y, remember I made it the subject here. So from equation 2, my y is equal to x minus 1. So I substitute the value of x. Y is equivalent to 2 minus 1, which is a 1. Therefore, my x value is 2 and my y value is a 1. So to go back, just to go through the steps. Step 1 we have labeled. Step 2 we have chose to make one of the unknowns a subject of the formula to come up with equation 3. Then you substitute that equation 3 into the other equation which you never got the third equation from. and there you'll be left with only one unknown. Then you can simplify to find it. Then you use that third equation to get the corresponding unknown. Example 2, still solving the simultaneous equation using substitution method. We label so after labeling, now when you look at equation 1, it is already a subject, x is already a subject of the formula, so I can just put it directly into equation 2 to eliminate the x. So where there is the x, I'm going to put the 4y plus 7 is equivalent to negative 21. Now I can simplify, opening the brackets, that is negative 12y, that is negative 21 is equivalent to negative 21. Now, here, simplifying, that one I get negative 11y, then I take the negative 21, the other side, to become a positive. Then negative 11y is equivalent to a 0 that side. Then when I divide both sides by the negative 11, so I get the y as a 0. Then from equation 1, I get the x. So I substitute my y value that I've got there. This is x is going to be equal to 0 plus 7. X is equal to 7. When you add 0 plus 7, you get 7. Therefore, the x value is 7 and the y value is a 0. So that is our example 2. So this would be equation 2 as fractions. So we can first of all eliminate those fractions by getting the LCM of the denominators and multiplying it throughout. So the LCM of 4, 3, and 1 is 12. So when I get the 12 and I multiply it throughout, so this one here is going to be 3x, then plus the 4y is equivalent to 24. That is equation 1, and then equation 2. So from my equation 1, I can get equation 3. this is 2x minus y is equivalent to 5. When I take y the other side, then I bring 5 this side. So that is 2x minus 5 is equivalent to y. Remember, when an item crosses the equal sign, the sign changes, right? So this one is my third equation. Then now I'm going to substitute that equation into equation 2. I'm going to substitute equation 3 into equation 2. So that is the equation 2 first of all is 3x plus the 4y, which is equivalent to 24. Then where there is y, I'm going to write 2x minus 5. So this is 3x plus 4 into 2x minus 5, which is equivalent to 20 what? To 24. So this is 3x plus, that is 8x minus 20 is equivalent to 24. Then when I add these two, I get 11x minus 20 is equivalent to 24. Then I take the 20 the other side to become a positive. So that is 20 plus the 24. So when I add this, I'm going to be having 44. Then I divide both sides by 11 to get the x value as a 4. Then the corresponding y value, that is from our third equation, y is equivalent to the 2x minus 5. So I put the 4 there. That is y is equivalent to 2 times 4. So 2 times 4 is the 8 minus 5, which is the 3. Therefore, the x value is 4 and the y value is a 3.